Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and enabling the extension so it's available when you type. First, add Google Input Tools to Chrome and pin it to your toolbar. This makes switching instantaneous. Once done, open the extension menu and choose languages to add. This is the one-time setup that controls which keyboards and IMEs are available. Make sure to allow permissions when prompted so input methods work across sites. You'll be able to toggle methods without leaving your active tab. Next, you add and customize languages to match how you write. In the extensions language list, pick the language and then the exact input method or keyboard layout you prefer. Transliteration converts phonetic typing into native script, which is different from a fixed keyboard. Once selected, arrange order for quick access and assign a shortcut key for instant switching. You should also tune prediction and autocorrect in options so the tool learns your habits and reduces repetitive edits as you type. Finally, you practice using the tool and know how to fix common issues. Click the toolbar icon or press your shortcut to switch input methods. Confirm the active language indicator before you type. Test in a text box and toggle transliteration versus keyboard layouts to see which feels natural. If the extension stops responding, reload Chrome, verify extension permissions, and temporarily disable other input or clipboard extensions that can conflict. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the extension to restore default.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.